In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your Wix website pages. Meta tags are crucial for your website's SEO as they help search engines understand the content of your pages, potentially boosting your rank on Google and attracting more visitors to your website. So whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your existing website, these steps will guide you through the process. To begin, make sure you have your Wix editor open. This is the place where you can edit your site in real time and make changes as necessary. Once you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you will see a set of menus. You'll need to look for and click on the Pages and Menu option. This section provides an overview of all the pages that are currently linked to your site's menu, essentially a roadmap of what your visitors see. Now focus on the site menu that appears. You'll notice it lists all the pages you have incorporated into your menu. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the structure here, especially if you're managing several pages. Choose a page that you wish to optimize by clicking on the three dots icon that can be found on the right side of the page's name. This icon is the key to accessing further options. A click on the three dots will reveal additional settings, among which you'll find SEO Basics. Go ahead and select that. This area is where we can make significant enhancements to our page's visibility by managing its meta tags. First, you'll be able to edit the title tag, which is critical as it essentially forms the title of your page that will appear in search engine results. A well-crafted title can greatly impact how many users click through to your site, so consider using relevant keywords and keeping the title concise and compelling. Next, we have the meta description. This is a brief summary of what the page is all about, and search engines use it to display a snippet below the page title in search results. When writing your meta description, aim for clarity and engage your audience with a brief insight into what they can expect. Remember to include relevant keywords, but keep it natural and informative. Lastly, towards the bottom of this section, there's a switch labeled Let Search Engines Index This Page. Enabling this switch allows search engines to index your page, making it visible in search results. This is essential if you want your page to be discoverable. Remember, you should repeat this process for any other pages you'd like to optimize. Taking the time now to adjust these settings across your site can make a significant difference in your site's online presence. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing!